Hello, good morning to you wherever you are. It's Books Impact TV once again coming to your doorstep. Over the months we have been looking at some aspect of the English language, and today is not going to be any different. Today we have a whole lot of things to learn. There are certain things that I think I have taken notice of, and I really want to elaborate on it because it's very necessary. This thing is not too common to everybody, I might say. Like most people are not privy to its usage or something. All right. So as I said earlier on, these phrases are more or less introductory phrases to sentences, whether in speech or in writing. So we are going to look at them right here. Now, these phrases are more or less are three. Let me put it that way. There are three different phrases, and the problem here is that we tend to forget how these things are used. Now look here, we have this. We have it's high time. One, two. We have it's about time. Then the third one is it's time. All right. Now, these are the expressions that we are going to look at. Hello. We have it's high time, it's about time, and it's time. These are the three phrases these are the three introductory phrases that I'm talking about. Most people use it and they don't even know what kind of verb or what form of verb should follow. Immediately we use that phrase. So today's lesson is going to focus on the kind of verb that is used right after this phrase. Now, what you should know is that these expressions should always be followed by a verb in the past or in the simple past or in the infinitive. Hello. What this means is that whenever you use this introductory phrase, don't choose any form of verb, or the form of verb that follows it shouldn't be any verb in any form, but it should be a verb in the simple past or in the infinitive form. All right. So what I'm trying to say is that when you have it's high time, if you want to choose any other verb, you cannot choose a verb either in the present tense, whether in the present continuous, let me say in the progressive form, in the perfect, or in the future. Very good. These are not the kind of verbs. You cannot choose any type of verb. You cannot choose any verb in this form to match the expression it's high time. So take note of that. I'm saying that the only verb you can choose should be a verb in the simple past tense. In the simple past tense. So it's either in the simple past tense or in the infinitive form. The reason is because these expressions simply means that it should have been by now. The expression simply means that it should have been by now. So when someone says it's high time, the person wants to say that it should have been by now. Let's say it should have been by now. That is the meaning. That is the meaning of it's high time, it's about time, and it's time. What the person is trying to say is that it should have been by now. I'm trying to say that when you use this expression, the consequent verb or the verb that follows should be in the simple past tense or in the infinitive form. So you say that it's high time they boycotted the demonstration. It's high time they boycotted the demonstration. Now, the verb here is boycotted. Boycotted. Sorry for the background noise. It's not my fault, but let's manage. So boycotted here is a verb in the simple past tense, and the expression uses it's high time. So whenever you use any of these expressions, make sure that you don't choose any verb in any form, but it should be a verb in the simple past tense or in the infinitive form. All right, so let's say you can also say that it's time to take a firm decision. To take is in the infinitive form. 2 plus the base form of the verb makes it infinitive. So that is it. So you can't say it's time you take a firm decision. That is incorrect. The verb take makes it incorrect because it's in the present tense. But I can say it's time you took a firm decision. So the verb there is in the simple past, and that is correct because the form of verb that follows is high time and it's time should be in the past or in the infinitive form. So take note of this. This is what I wanted us to look at. It's very simple. So henceforth, make sure you take note of them when you are using it both in speech and in writing. Thank you once again. I have been your tutor, Kojo Mintenyama, and I'm out. Bye.